Hi all, I'm Harsh, and this is the Shooting Range 2.0. And that guy had a bad day. Alright, so essentially this is a downloadable map. It is exactly what it says it is, a shooting range. You've got crates of weapons here. You can practically pull any weapon out of the game that you want to have a wee play with. Pretty good idea to check some of these out and try them out before you actually have to use them in a live game, because yeah, that way you get a much better sense of where they actually shoot. Today I'm looking at the H&K G36K 5.56mm by 45 assault rifle made in Germany. Now this target here is 100 meters away, so basically the point of aim is dead on the middle reticle, sorry, the first reticle. 200 meters is just below it, 300 is the bottom tip of the first reticle, 400 is just in this circular surround, 500 is the top of the second reticle, 600 is the second reticle in the center, 700 is the bottom of the second reticle, 800 tends to be you put the targets about the waist on the top of this one. On the top of the third one down. 900 is the middle of the third one, and 1000 is about that far above them. So you can actually hit targets out to 1000 meters, but even if you headshot them, it won't kill them. They lose their punch after about 600 meters or so. So I'll just show you a couple of different shots from a couple of different distances. This is 200 meters. And there he goes. $300. Down he goes. This is 400 meters, and I'm just going to turn on a projectile camera so you can see the flight of the round, so you see when it's going high, low, that sort of thing. So this is where we just get it in this donut. And there he goes. I'll try 500 meters. So 500 should be the top of the second reticle. Overshot. That should do it. Nope. Okay, so I'm aiming too high here. Need to bring that reticle down just a touch. About there. There we go. So we'll go for 600. And this should be the center of the second reticle. Too high again. Neck shot. There we go. 700. I think this is where I'm going to start having a lot more fail shots. 700 is the bottom of this reticle. Oh, got it in one. 800. Now, 800 is basically you put the third reticle down, put the top leaf of that somewhere around his waist, like so. Oh, that went wide. Also not good. Shit. It starts getting pretty fiddly at these ranges. Try 900. The 900, I believe, is the center of this reticle. Oh, that hit his gun. So it must be just a wee bit up from the center. There we go. Close enough. There, got it. And now we'll try 1,000. But I do not have much hopes of this one. So 1,000 seems to be about the same displacement as between the second and third reticles, and you fire from there. Oop, overshot. Just come down a touch. Go. So yeah, it's really going to take a few shots to kill him from that range, but it gives you an idea of what you can actually do with this gun. So yeah, you can get targets out to 1,000 meters, but it's not going to pack much punch by the time it gets there. So that's all. Hope it was helpful. It gives you some idea of how the reticles work on this particular beast, and yeah. Have a good game, and we'll see you online.